Okay, and now let's try generating unit test for this controller class. First, I'm gonna open the terminal and launch the Copilot console. As you can see, Copilot is asking for permission to access files in this project folder. I'm going to allow that access so it can properly analyze the code base. Now, without giving too many implementation details, I'm simply going to ask Copilot at a very high level to generate controller tests for this pet controller class, and let's see what it produces. You can see that it's now exploring the code base and analyzing the pet controller. Since this is the first time, it's also asked for access to a few additional directories and test folders. I'm going to allow those as well. It looks like Copilot is trying to understand the project structure and check whether there are any existing controller tests already available in the project. Now it wants to create a new directory under the test folder for the controller test. So I'll approve it. Alright, the folder has now been created, and next it asks permission to generate the actual pet controller test class. I'll go ahead and allow that as well. Now the test class has been generated successfully. You can see that Copilot has already added unit tests for the main methods in the controller for find pet by ID, add new pet, update, and delete pet. Now let's try running the generator test directly from the Copilot console. Alright, the pet controller test execution has completed successfully. We can also open HTML report if we want to see more detailed results. So overall, the tests generated by Copilot are running successfully. Now let's also quickly run this test from the IDE just to double check everything works correctly there as well. Perfect. The tests are passing successfully from the IDE too. So with a very simple high-level prompt, Copilot was able to generate complete controller test class, create the required test directory structure, and cover all 4 main controller methods automatically. Next, let's explore the generated test class in more details and see whether it actually meets our expectations. After that, we'll try generating some additional edge cases scenarios and see how well Copilot handled those too. Thank you.